All right, guys, we do not have the best circumstances today. It is day before Thanksgiving right now. We had some wicked weather last night. Roads are snowy. One of us already got stuck, had to pull him out, but you know, we're gonna bark some geese today. I think we had about roughly 1,000 in there last night, yesterday. We got 25 to 40 mile per hour winds, so that's kind of brutal, but we're gonna try and bark them out there today. We're gonna hit a slide up on Big Tuck here.
That's slick.
Tuck, what are we thinking? Wind is greasy as what's greasy out here.
It's gonna be very cool.
Only problem we're gonna have here, boys, I'm not gonna lie, we only have one snow cover. Shit's a little sketchy. We got like, I think 11 dozen decoys out here. Kind of spread them decently loose. I don't know, they're pretty tight out there. Spencer!
Show me bands, baby.
Alright, you guys gotta start yelling. Yeah, you gotta yell pretty loud because it's like super quiet down here. I got it uphill, we're all good. A lot, like 50? 50, no, not that many. Like 25, 30. I don't even think we need a call. Get ready, boys. There's another. Fuck, my gun jam! I killed that little. I killed that little.
I failed this guy. Got here. He's going down. What?
Fuck, dude, my gun is jammed. I need to go help get them birds. What? I'm getting them. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy. Look at this. I don't know. One. Dude, I don't even know how many geese we got.
We had 6. I added 4.
Dude, he's fucking tiny. Ducks! Check him. Check him. Check him. A cackler.
Oh, we got 2 left.
No, they're not. Those birds went back that way. And then we got another group I seen over to the right. Not big though. He's gonna need to scream. Holy fuck, dude. Triple, 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 baby. Holy fuck, dude. Jacob, what are we feeling, man? Your eyelashes look a little cold. I think we got 20 down at the moment.
Yeah.
We got a cackler, a speck out there. Nice barred up speck. Jacob's real excited about it. These guys just made a hike over there to try and get them off the pond. It is brisk out here, I tell you that much. Can't see anything behind us because the snow's ripping in your eyes. I don't know. I got this GoPro on my head and I'm just shooting straight. Oh, watch me send him to heaven. Alright guys, I didn't send him to heaven. Dude, there's one landing like 5 yards behind Donnie. Oh! Boys, this might be a little wicked out here, I'm not gonna lie. We got a pond back there that they're all going to. Got quite a few nice geese out there. Nice little Drake black duck right there. We're dialed. Doom. Fuck it.
Nope, it doesn't work. Sorry, boy, my gun.
Wait. Dude, these are some rough conditions to be shooting a gun right now.
It doesn't really work either.
Oh, what the fuck? Hey, hey. I didn't even know there was geese over there. I was watching that single way out there.
Fuck off about it.
Sweet.
Oh, cramp, my calf. Hey, runners.
I don't know, they were fucking on my feet. Donnie. I need you to hit me, man. I need you to hit me. Hey, come on, Donnie. Don't leave me here. Hell yeah. I can't feel my right hand.
I'm like Donnie, you didn't come out. It's not that. It's gonna be kind of cold. The roads are gonna be bad. Throw that thing over here. Is that even a fucking balloon? Oh yeah. Look, it's so annoying. Oh my god, dude. The one behind us is small. Watch it go down.
I thought we were working the birds in front of us. Yeah. I was like, shoot them? Where? Oh, I got that fucker! Look at him! Bang! Boys, it's cold out here. Not even sure of the time. We're still like, it's probably about 10 o'clock right now. We got about 37, 38 geese down. We got nice drake mallard, drake black duck, speck, blue goose, cackler. We're just like checking the books off here for the old MN season, you know. We got a pond over there. We got about 200 birds going over into the pond. Kind of sucks, but they're just trickling in. They're going to sit here and trickle the rest of the day. So we're going to get our limit and get the hell out of here.
Jacob, anything to say?
Not gonna lie, guys, craziest hunt I've ever had in Minnesota. We smashed, got our 9-man. We even had geese doing it super for us, not coming anywhere near us, going in the pond. Still killed them. We got a nice, crazy barred up speck, blue goose, black duck, nice drake mallard, a tiny cackler. Look at that, look at that. Nice black duck, same size as the cackler. She's barred, buddy.